welcome back. So this is kind of exciting. JeepSolid Garage just got a lighting upgrade. Let's see what we got. Now I've been waiting quite a while for this. Making videos, doing videography. It takes a lot of work, but also a lot of equipment. Wonder if I had to read blah blah, set it up. It's supposed to come with a sandbag. I don't feel sandbagging here. At least I thought it was supposed to come with a sandbag. I guess I'll be making my own. Oh, here it is. Add your own sand. I once learned from a videography expert that if you're filming indoors and you think you have enough light, you don't. Your best option is to film outside during the golden hour in the morning or in the evening, because that's where you get just nice, bright, even light, but not too harsh. No, I know what I'm doing here. And yeah, these aren't $1,000 professional lights, but hey, they'll work. They are a little top heavy. I gotta add some weight on the bottom of some kind, and really hope that my kids don't come in and knock them over. So cool, there we go. Better lighting. One step closer to better videos. Now I just need a way to get my microphone closer. I need like a boom mic. Anyways, I'll link these lights in the description below if you're interested in seeing what I got. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.